Wondering what's the easiest way to get those nasty smells out of your dishwasher? Do you empty your dishwasher and this cup smells like fish or something weird? Well, it could be just some lingering odors in your dishwasher, or it could be your water. Now, we have always tried this Lemme Shine and it's worked pretty well. It has gotten this residue, a smell out of these cups. But what you can also do is, as you can see down in here, we have some buildup. We have some buildup right here as well. So this Lemme Shine works pretty well. If you just add this into your dishwasher along with your dishwashing soap, this will help remove the hard water stains and film, and it also helps reduce that smell if you are getting that smell in your dishwasher. So it is time to give this dishwasher a good cleaning. You're probably wondering, why do you have a cup in the center of this dishwasher? So what we are going to do is we are going to take some white distilled vinegar and pour it into this cup right here, and then run the dishwasher. So I have about a cup of vinegar right here, and all we're gonna do is run this dishwasher all the way through a cycle, and what it's going to do is going to descale everything inside of this dishwasher, removing any odors as well, because as you know, vinegar removes odors. Now I am about mid-cycle through the dishwasher, and I just took this old brush, and so I'm gonna take the brush and just scrub all of that hard water that was down there. Because now that it's been washing for a while, it has loosened up all the hard water stains. Another tip is, if you have one of these in here, take these out, and as you can see, this has a lot of buildup as well, so we are going to scrub all of this. So I got this all cleaned up. Looks a lot better. I know a lot of people forget that you actually have this in your dishwasher, so check and make sure you have it, and if so, just pull it out and clean it. And then we'll continue with the cycle. Woo! We are all clean right now. So alright guys, so the dishwasher has ran its cycle, and all you gotta do is empty this right here out, and you will be good to go for your next. Here's another tip. If you want to make sure all of your dishes dry so you don't have any spots at the very end of your cycle while it's drying, stick a towel in here like this and close it. And what this does is it will absorb all of the water, extra water and moisture in that dishwasher. This one is a little thick, so if you have a tea towel, that'd be even more perfect. Now, if you're wondering how to remove hard water stains from the shower, click on this video right here, and we'll see you next time. Bye.